Today, all countries are connected with each other. In this satellite plays very important role. It is one of the most important medium of connection. So many modern inventions like phone, television, GPS tracker, etc. becomes possible through this satellite. Out of this internet plays very major role in making connection between all countries. In our world, there are so many inventions which has made our life very easy to live. But out of it, which is the most important invention? There are some excellent inventions like electricity, invention of steam engine, etc. But which is the most important invention which really makes world so small? Today we will see that how internet works. When we type any website address, data firstly moves to the modem, and from the modem it will go to the service provider through phone line cables. Data then moves to the service provider through phone line cables. The data then sent through fiber optics from service provider. Service provider uses two types of services, that is satellite service or fiber optic service. When this data moves to the other country through fiber optics, this will travel from underseas route, and after that it goes to the other country's service provider building. And after that, service provider of a particular country sends data to the particular server. We had typed Yahoo in our computer, so the data will move to the Yahoo server from service provider. From that Yahoo server, data will collect a particular IP address and it sends back to our computer through same route from which it was came. That IP address will come to our home PC from Yahoo server through fiber optics from same route. When this IP address comes our computer, it makes the connection between our computer and Yahoo server. And after that, Yahoo server starts to send information on our computer. This sending and receiving of data happens on same route only. When Yahoo sends information to our computer, we get able to see Yahoo web page on our computer. Internet makes our life very easy to live. Today, the whole world is like one family.